This is the AX15 floor lift chair by VOCIC. This is an upgraded chair from the AX05, which I also own and have done videos on already. This chair is rated safe for individuals up to 440 pounds, and it has rollers on the back that allow caregivers to position it more easily. This chair is fully self-contained, and the rechargeable battery allows you to use it anywhere in the home or even out in the yard. I'm a physical therapist, and in this video I'm working with a client of mine in my physical therapy clinic. One of my favorite uses for the floor lift chair is to help patients get up from the floor after we've done floor exercises. I've sped up the video through this segment just so that you don't have to wait, but the chair moves incredibly smoothly, slowly. Patients are comfortable and secure. There is a belt that wraps around the waist. I chose not to use it during this interaction, but you can see how easily the patient's able to get up from the chair at the upper elevation.